Hey guys, this little video will just take you through how we can make a digital rubric using Google Docs. So here's a little example that I've got that a student in my English class received. So this rubric was given to her before the task was due, so she could see what was expected of her, and then this was returned to her filled in. And so you can see where she was at, and at the bottom there's a grade given. So I'm going to just quickly take you through how this was done. So I've got a blank doc here, and I've just called it I've given it a title, and then this gets created. The rubric gets created by an add-on. Google Docs have add-ons, and so the add-on is called OrangeSlice. Just so you know how to get OrangeSlice, you need to go Get Add-on, and then just search it, OrangeSlice, and then it's the teacher rubric version, not the student, the teacher. So I've obviously got it, but you'll have it, it'll just come up blue like that. So you just click there and it should get installed on your system. And then once you've got it installed, you just go back to add-ons, go to OrangeSlice and click Score Rubric. So this column here kind of takes you through creating the rubric. There's a lot of information, but basically if you follow these instructions I'm giving you, you will get your rubric pretty quickly. So you go to Sending, ABC, that's how the rubric will run, and you're going to create your own rubric. Then it comes up with this. You want your own qualifiers. They give you some suggestions, but you want your own. So you click I've got this one, and you're creating the rubric. So here we've got our bit of a template here, but we need to obviously add the qualifiers and also the proficiency. So I'll just quickly add these. We can obviously put words in here, but I'll just put numbers in at the moment. And I know my rubric's going to have 3 different categories, so I'll just put 3 rows there. And then all I need to do is grab, this is a rubric, my generic rubric for my subject. Just say I wanted to assess these 3 achievement standards here. I'd copy them and I'll just simply paste them in here. And there we've got a rubric. And now all we need to do, now what we can add task details later, but once we've got our rubric set, we just go Score Rubric, and it's all ready. We need to just call it an analysis rubric, and obviously because it's out of 5, each of these things, the whole rubric will be out of 15 points because it does give you a score at the end. So you just say you're finished. It wants to confirm with you the proficiency scores, so I've got those all sorted already. And then we've got it. So basically to grade this, you just go on to grade, and each category comes up here, and you just select which one you want to give the student. It's pretty straightforward like that, which is great. This is part 1 video. Part 2 is actually how to get this rubric to your students. Obviously you can print this out, but then it's not a live document anymore. So part 2 of this video will be how to get this rubric to your students using Google Classroom. So if you're interested, watch the next video. Thank you.